Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your urban farming and vertical gardening business. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is the place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business and enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. Now select enter your location and choose your website language. And now create business and wait a few seconds to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section on the website. The header. If you want to change the site name, you can change it from here. You can turn this on the logo and replace company name with the logo. Here, if you want to upload the file, if you want to change the label or add a new label. Here, if you want to add a link, external link, and you can here turn this on and open a link in a new page. If you want to manage your social link settings, if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link, and here you can just put the link. So that's it. If you want to manage the style of the section, you can manage the positioning and the social icon, so the spacing, the background. So that's it. Let's save it. If you want to add a section on the website, just click here and select any section you want. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. This is the banner of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change the heading, you can just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you don't like it, you can regenerate it from here. If you want to turn this on and add a label or change the label, here if you want to add a new link, so if you want to manage the style of the section, the spacing, or the background, the vertical alignment, the horizontal alignment, the image position. Here you can generate another image, the background overlay. So that's it. Here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. Next section, this is the image of the website, the image section. You can regenerate this if you don't like it. Here if you want to edit the image position. So let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the text of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to regenerate the another text, you can edit the size or the type of the writing. Here if you want to manage the style, you can manage the alignment and the spacing, the vertical alignment, the background. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. This is the list of the website. You can edit it from here. Here if you want to change this, if you want to manage your display settings, you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. And here if you want to manage the list item settings, here you can add the list item, you can generate image, you can edit the image position. Here if you want to generate a title, generate the content. Also here if you want to edit the type or the size of the writing. So that's it. Here you can add the label, here you can add the link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the testimonial section of the website. You can add testimonial here if you want to generate a code. If you want to generate by who is the code. Here you can add the file or the image. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, is the gallery of the website, the gallery section. If you want to change this, here if you want to generate an image, another image, and if you want to upload image from browser, for example, let's upload some image from browser. I'm gonna choose this urban farming and vertical gardening. For example, let's pick image from browser. For example, I'm gonna choose this. So now just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to choose it from library, here if you want to choose another one from here, for example this. So let's save it and let's move on. The next section is the location section of the website. You can change this if you don't like it. Here if you want to change the business address, and you can here add the additional text files. You can add the title or the content. So that's it. Let's close. Here if you want to manage the style of the section, the type or the theme or the rounded corners, marker color, align map, space in the background. So that's it. Let's close this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the contact form of the website, the contact form section. You can change this. You just click here and it will be changed. If you want to manage files from here, if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, so that's it. If you want to generate form success message, so let's save this and let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer of the website. Here if you want to change your business name, if you want to turn this on, the logo, and replace company name with the logo. Also here if you want to upload a file, here if you want to add additional details, and here you can add your business address or any other relevant details. You can turn this on and add a new label or add the link. If you want to manage the social link settings, and here if you want to add a channel, so like this. So let's apply this. Now if you want to regenerate the content of any section you want, or if you want to regenerate the style of any section you want, just select the style and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like it, if you want to duplicate this section, you can duplicate it. Just click here and it will be duplicated. If you want to delete it from here, just click on this icon of delete. If you want to move it up or move it down. So that's it for today. Now let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.